Yeah, guys, what is structure, right? Right, some point. Structure is a structure is a user defined data type. Using struct keyword, we can create our own data type. Okay, using struct keyword, we can create our own data type. Right? How to write? Struct label data type member one, data type member two, and so on. Right? This is a structure. End of the structure, semicolon must be required. End of the structure, semicolon must be required. Okay, that semicolon, what is a semicolon? That entity is constructed. Okay, that is the use of semicolon. That is structure completed. Okay, now right, next point. Structure is a logical representation. Logical representation. Structure is a logical representation. It doesn't occupy any space in the memory. Okay, structure is a logical representation. It doesn't occupy any space in the memory. Then how to declare structure? We declare like this. Structure student. This is syntax, guys. Index number, right? Character as name of 20. Float average. S number, S name, and average. Okay, now it is structure is constructed, but it doesn't occupy any space in the memory. Okay, it doesn't occupy any space there. So now it has to take space. Right. Structure variable next. It is a physical representation for the structure. It is a physical representation for the structure. Yeah, structure variable is a physical representation. This is a logical representation. What is a logical? What is physical, guys? Right? For example, what is mean by logical? What is mean by physical? Right? See. Now I will tell you the difference. Bird. Can you show bird? Bird you can't show, guys. Bird is a logical representation. Okay. What is a physical representation? This is a logical. There is no bird. Right? Bird you can't show. What we can show? We can show parrot. Okay. This is physical representation. Are you following? This is physical representation. This is logical representation. Parrot. Next, dove. Sparrow. Okay, these are physical representation, guys. Bird is a logical representation. These are physical representations. These are also physical representation. These are also physical represent. These all are physical representations. Bird is a logical representation. Okay, no? Structure variable is a physical representation. Then how to create structure variable? I will show you. Now, right. We can create structure variable two ways. We can create structure variables two ways. One is how to create as a local variable. You can create Second one is as a global variable. We can create structure variable as two ways. One is as a local variable and as a global variable. Then how to write structure variable? See this. This is struct variable, struct student S1. This is a global variable, guys. Okay. Now if I write a function, see, main function. What is the data type name? Struct student. Struct student is the data type name. S1 is a variable, right? This is a global variable. Can I write a struct student data type? Yes. Now we can write struct student S2. It's a local variable. It's a local variable and it's a global variable. S1 is what? Global variable. Okay, this is a local variable, guys. Difference is what? Global variable can be accessed anywhere. Local variable can be accessed only in the function. Now I am going to print the size. Printf. Now I am going to print the size, guys. How to print size? Size equals to %d size of. Now I want to write S1 or S2. See this. If I write S1 or S2, what is the size it takes? 2 bytes, 20 bytes plus 4 bytes. 2 plus 20 plus 4. 2 plus 20 bytes for 4 bytes. Total 26 bytes, guys. Okay. Structure variable. Now physical memory is created. S1 and S2. What is S1 value? It's a global variable. S2 is a local variable. It's in the function. The data type name is struct student. Structure members. It's a structure variable. Different terminology, guys. Completed. Huh? Yeah, guys. How memory is allocated for S1 and S2? See, now memory is allocated for S1. Total 26 bytes, guys. Is 2 bytes for S number, 20 bytes for S name, average for 4 bytes. For S2 also same, 2 bytes for S number, 20 bytes for S name, average for 4 bytes. This is S number, S name, average. This is S number again, S name, average. This is S2, this is S1. 2 bytes for S number, guys. 2 bytes for S number, 20 bytes for S name, 4 bytes for average. 2 plus 20 plus 4. Total 26 bytes. Okay. Now what is this value, guys? Default values are 0, null, 0.0 because it's a global variable. Local variable initial values are Garbage value, it's also garbage and it is also garbage. All values are garbage values. This is also garbage, garbage and garbage. 0, null, 0.0. Draw this diagram also. Yeah, first write. Okay. For S1, it's a global variable. So values are zeros. Global variable initial values are zeros. 0 means S name is not 0. S name is null. Average is 0.0. S number here garbage value. It's a local variable. It's a global variable, guys. Local variable initial values are garbage values. Okay. Global variable initial values are zeros. Completed this diagram. Total 26 bytes. Integer S number 2 bytes. S name 20 bytes. It's a 4 bytes. 2 plus 20 plus 4. Same 26. 2 plus 20 plus 4. This is also same, right? This is also 26 bytes. Yeah, see this. This is called struct student is the data type name. Only structure name. What is structure means student. What is data type means struct student is the data type. Okay, S number, S name, these are called structure members. S1 is what? Structure variable. Global variable it is. This is S2 is local variable. What is the use of structure for example, guys? You have some data types, right? Predefined integer, character, float, right? We have predefined. For integer, can you store a float value? You can't store float, right? We cannot store float. So can I store characters? We can't store characters also. Okay, I need one data type, guys. These are having some limitations, right? Integer value stores integer values only. Integer data type. Character data type stores character values only. Float data type stores float values only. I need one data type to store all the values. What is that? Structure. Now can you store integer? Yes, I can store. Can you store string? Yes, I can store. Can you store float? I can store. Are you following, guys? We can store any kind of data in this data type. Okay, it's a local variable. What is data type name? In text we write, right? What is int? Your data type name is struct student. S2 is a variable name. Okay, this is a global variable. What is S1? We can use anywhere. S2 can be used in only main function only. Okay, next, how to access structure members. How to access structure members, right? We can access structure members two ways. We can access structure members Two ways. One is how to access. Two ways, guys. Using a structure variable. Second one is using structure pointer. Okay, how to create structure variable? We can create struct student s1 or s2, guys. That is your wish. Okay, we are creating s1 pointer. How to create struct student star ptr. This is a pointer. Okay, difference is what? You know, right? What is size of s1 here? If I write size of s1, what is size of s1? 2 bytes. Sorry, 26 bytes. Size of ptr. Size of pointer always same, guys. Okay, size of pointer is any kind of pointer. It is 2 bytes because it shows address only. Okay, size of ptr is 2 bytes because it's a pointer type of pointer type. What type of it is? Struct student type. Okay, pointer only. It is the type is this. If it is any kind of pointer, it stores this. Okay, now it's a 26 bytes. Now ptr has to point that value. For example, ptr is pointing address of s2. Okay, or s1. This is s1, guys. It is pointing s1. See this. Okay, now for example, this memory location is s1 where ptr is pointing. Ptr is also pointing this. It's a pointer, guys. It's a structure variable. Then how to access this? We can access this value. See this. How to access s1 dot s number, this memory location, using the second point, using dot variable, using second point, right? What is this? Next step, using a dot operator. What is dot, guys? Struct to member. Using struct to member operator, we can access. Yeah. What about this? Using arrow operator. Pointer to member. This arrow operator means using pointer to member operator. Okay, you can access this. Okay, using dot operator and using arrow operator. What is struct to member operator? Using arrow to pointer to member operator, we can access. For example, I want to assign 100. How to assign 100 here? 0 or garbage value is there, for example. Then how to write s1 dot s number, this memory location equals to 100. If it is a pointer, guys, where ptr is pointing, same location, right? ptr arrow s number we have to write. It's a pointer, we have to write like this. ptr arrow s number. This is what s1 dot s number, ptr arrow s number, same location. s1 dot s name equals to name I want to write. Can I write like this? s1 dot s name equals to abc. Error, right? We cannot write like this. This is error. You know this. Why? What is the reason? We cannot copy like this. Okay. Then how to assign, guys? We can use strcpy. Okay. s1 dot s name comma. All right. We are copying abc. Okay. See this. Instead of this s1 dot s number, you can write like this also, guys. This value star ptr dot s number, star ptr dot s number. What is s1? S1 is the address of this, right? Address of ptr, right? See, ptr is the address of s1. Star ptr dot s1 you can write. Okay. If you don't want like this, dot operator ptr arrow s number you can use. You understood? PTR arrow S number. Now S name equals how to take. We can take a PTR. It's a pointer, right? PTR arrow S number S name also can use, guys. Arrow S name equals to ABC. S1 dot average equals to 67.8. PTR arrow average equals 67.8. Okay. Completed. This whatever we have completed. Can we write in this format like no star P dot average. We are sure then. Yeah, can you hear me, guys? Now? Clear? Actually, use of structures. See. I told you, right? Use of structures. Array is a collection of similar data type elements. I want a different type of elements. Okay. Homogeneous, heterogeneous mixture of elements. I want to store one record. It has to contain all the values. Then we take structures. Okay. The structure, access structure. Access means how to use the program. Access means how to use. Using variable or structure pointer. To show PTR. So PTR takes 2 bytes because it's a pointer. But S1 it takes 26 bytes only because that is a variable. Now PTR is pointing which location? Same that location. Now this dot operator is an access. This is a structure pointer using arrow operator. S1 dot PTR arrow S number. Right? I will show you the program how to access. Yeah, guys. Okay. Can you hear now me? Can you hear now? Okay. Okay. See, if a structure variable means dot operator you have to use. The structure pointer arrow operator you have to use. Guys. S1 dot S number, S1 dot S name, and S1 dot average. Okay, when it is a pointer, PTR arrow S number, PTR arrow S name, and PTR arrow average. Now I am showing the program. What are the default values? What are the right? What how to create a global variable, right? See. Now I make see. Now can I take a structure outside or inside main? Inside main also you can write, but if you declare inside main, then it's considered as a local structure. Okay. See one structure student guys. Character S name of 20. This is S1. Yeah, local variable also can create guys. That is your wish. Okay, see once now I am not printing. I will print size of the S1. See this. How to print a size? See guys, how to print size? Percentile size of S1 you can write. Size of the structure name also you can write. Size of can I write structure student? Yes, we can write structure student. No problem. Or size of S1 also you can write. That is your wish. Okay, if I write S1 also same it takes right size of structure student. Now see guys. .c extension header files are optional. You know this. How many bytes? Total 26 bytes. Now I am going to print those values. S1 is a global variable, right? Now I want to print S1 percentile D, percentile S, percentile F. What is this value? S1 dot S number, S1 dot S name, S1 dot average. We are going to print these values. See print 0 null value, null won't printed 0, 0.0. These are global values, guys. You understood? Global values are 0, null it won't printed 0, 0.0. For example, if I write a local variable same with the same name, now it considered as local variable, right? S1. See the default values: garbage value, garbage value, and garbage value. Okay, this is the garbage values, guys. When you take local values, okay, are you following, guys? Local and can I change these values? Yes, we can change. How to change? S1 dot S number equals to 100. Name, can I change the name? S1 dot S name equals to ABC. I told you, right? This is error. You know this. We should not copy like this. L value required error. Got it? One error, guys. Yeah. Then how to write it? We have to use strcpy. This value changed, right? S1 100. S name. How to change S name, guys? strcpy of see this S1 dot S name comma ABC. Name change ABC. Average also. How to change the average? S1 dot average equals to some value 67.8 something. Now see this 67.8. Now all values will be printed. You understood, right? This is error. Why it's error? Okay. Can I write inside main? This total can I write inside main? Yes, we can write. See, I'll cut this and can I write inside main? Yes. Okay. Already S1 is there, right? See this structure student. Now I want to write structure student. S1 I will remove because already S1 is there, right? See this. In local also we can write. Now I don't want to write local. See this. Cut. I want to write outside only. Okay. That is anywhere you can use it. Okay. This is structure student. S number, S name, and average. Okay. Yeah, guys. Write this. Yeah, how to access. If it is a pointer, guys, write a pointer also. If it is pointer, take pointer, write with pointer. For example, S1, it's a pointer, for example. Then ptr arrow, take that and write.